Exactly. And this leads to a potentially elegant and profound understanding of how quantum potential actually becomes reality, how the weirdness of quantum mechanics resolves into the classical world we experience.
How does that work in this model?
Our sources state that quantum superposition, entanglement, potential, probability belong to singularity.
Okay, singularity again. Usually we think of the center of a black hole.
Right, the point of infinite density.
Yeah.
But here, the singularity seems to be presented more broadly, not just as a cosmic extreme, but as the fundamental realm where all quantum possibilities exist in their raw, unmanifested, probabilistic state.
Like the source code, the realm of pure potential.
That's a great way to put it. The ultimate realm of pure potential where everything is possible simultaneously, but nothing is yet actual. The superposition of all states.
Okay, so you have the singularity holding all quantum possibilities. Then what?
Then, the singularity, which holds all these possibilities, contracts it down to a single outcome.
Collapses the possibilities.
Exactly. It collapses them down to one specific actuality, which then appears geometric and rendered as light and information or quantum fields.
That sounds very much like the collapse of the wave function in standard quantum mechanics, where measurement forces a choice. But here, gravity or the singularity is doing the collapsing.
That seems to be the idea. Synthesizing this, it suggests that gravity, through this concept of the singularity, acts as the ultimate bridge. It takes the myriad quantum potentials, the superposition, the entanglement, all that probabilistic weirdness, and collapses them, contracts them into the deterministic geometric reality we perceive.
The classical world emerges from the quantum foam mediated by gravity.
Right, and this emergent reality is then rendered and conveyed by light and information, which we describe using the language of quantum fields. This is the very mechanism by which the observer, which our sources identify fundamentally as gravity itself, actualizes our world, brings form out of formlessness.
It's how the universe goes from being this wave of probabilities to a concrete, observable, geometric experience.
Which is then mediated and filtered through light and electricity to our consciousness. This really feels like the heart of building that new physics. Gravity as the observer, harmonized with quantum theory as its appearance, its manifestation.
The magnitude of this shift is just immense. Our sources conclude that what's really needed is a new physics that brings together gravity with quantum in a whole new paradigm.
A whole new way of thinking.
And, quoting again, an entirely new model of the medium we live in is the answer. This isn't just about tweaking existing theories or adding a new particle. It's a fundamental reimagining of existence.
Like tearing up the old map of the universe and drawing a completely new one.
Exactly. And that's the profound implication for you, the listener. This isn't just incremental science happening in labs. It's a call for a fundamental reimagining of existence itself.
How you fit into it all.
Right. It means the very space we inhabit, the very fabric of reality, needs to be defined and experienced through an entirely new lens of gravitational and quantum harmony. It challenges us to build from the ground up, rethink every assumption about the universe.
And ultimately about our own place within this gravitationally rendered reality. It's about shifting from thinking about gravity as just a force to maybe thinking through gravity as the foundational layer of everything we experience.